Mm. Good morning, good morning. I got no voice, bro. Whoever's jumping on right now, I got no voice. What's good, gang? Happy Tuesday. Mm. What up, what up, what up? 9:45. Yo, what's good, E? How you doing, bro? Ah. Long weekend, bro. Happy to be back. As you can see, I have no voice, so but at least I have the mic on right here, so it's gonna help me out a little bit. But yeah, it is what it is. So we already got the big drop. Yo, what's good, bro? Time to print. Five five PA strong today. Five PA strong. So we're gonna um let some time develop. Give me a second. How was your guys this weekend, dude? Damn, look at this candle print right here. Shit. I wish I was on this play. Can you guys let me know if my voice sounds good? Like the audio. Not my voice, 'cause I already know my voice is messed up. I just want to know if it sounds okay. Chase it. I ain't chasing that shit, bro. I am not chasing that shit, bro. It's a little quiet. I turned it up a bit. How does it sound now? Well, we have data at 10 a.m., I believe. Catch that yesterday? Nah, nah, bro. Wait, catch what yesterday? The move yesterday? Or you're talking about my voice? Because if it's either one of those things, no. Streaming and talking like the whole entire week messed up my voice. But I think there's some data today, right? So Tuesday, 10 a.m. consumer confidence. Oh yeah. So perfect. Better? Okay. Good. I didn't even look at the market yesterday. Bro, the market exploded yesterday. That bro, it was so crazy, dude. There's some dude from market chat that I talked to. Oh, my bad, bro. If you're watching right now, bro, forgot your name, bro. I'm so sorry, bro. My bad. But he caught the move yesterday. Bro, that was a huge move yesterday. I didn't think there was gonna be like volume or nothing. Speaks in 7 minutes too. Yeah, yeah. No, we're gonna wait past 10 a.m. So this is another stream of practicing resilience, practicing just overall patience, dude. So yeah, yeah. And I have my 5 PAs right here, so that way everybody can see the action. Um, let's dive straight into analysis though. Let's see what the market is telling us. So day chart, of course, it bounced off the 13 EMA. Let's go to the 4 hour. 4 hours looking a little weak. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, what's good, bro? How you doing, man? How you doing, bro? We're just doing some analysis right now, waiting for 10 a.m. Um, to let all the speakers and all the consumer confidence let it go out the way. I don't want to get whiplashed. So on the 4 hour, it doesn't look too good. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's definitely looking a little weak on the 1 hour. Let me plot this 200 EMA on the 1 hour right here. Let me plot that just to have some context. 30 minute, we're breaking below the 48, and the 200's right here. We're breaking past the 230 minutes. So let me plot that. Let's go to the 15 minute. 15 minute, we're breaking past the 200 EMA. So, wow. Okay, so it's not looking good today at all. We're definitely going down. So how does the 1 day look? Where's the 13? The 13 EMA is right here. It's a little far, but I'm gonna plot it just in case. So we have our analysis for right now. We're breaking the 30 minute 200 and the 1 hour 200s all the way over here. So we're just using that for reference, and we just broke pre-market low right here. So that's not looking good at all. It's not looking good whatsoever. Oh. Are you guys have you guys taken any plays today or took any trades? Because I know a lot of you motherfuckers love to fucking trade pre-market, bro. I be going on chat before market open, and people over here talking about, oh yeah, I took a position on this and that. I'm like, damn, bro. You wake up and you're ready to roll, huh? You wake up and you're ready to roll, dude. Mm-mm. I gotta give it some time, bro. To be honest with you, and get a little cough drop for my throat. Pause. Yeah. Gotta get that throat good. Um, Man, the market's definitely dropping, dude. Sitting on my hands till after 10? Yeah, bro. Same here. I don't care if the spy just dies. I really don't care. All I know, all I know is that I'm gonna make my money regardless. I don't give a shit if it just dies right now. I don't care. We're waiting till 10 a.m. Got in just at the candle confirmation, and I'm linear right. Got a limit order at 53.1775. 53.1775. TMR. Why? Why do you have an order at 53.1775? Why? I just want to know. And I'm not like judging you or nothing like that. No, bro. I mean, I'm fucking nobody to judge, dude. It's not like if I'm like an expert trader. I'm not. I just want to know, like, what's your thesis? of taking a short there. That's all I want to know. Because like I've always said before, the way that I look at price action is that when it's like super far away from the EMAs, um, the the price action loves to come back to reconfirm strength at the EMAs. That's not always true, because anything can happen. It can just die and just keep going. It doesn't have to make sense. The market doesn't make any sense at all. But I just want to know what goes through your mind when you take a limit order right here at the break of this predictive level when price action's over here. Yo, 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 what's good, Fat Mac? Because there's a level right below, so if it tests the level and rejects, I want to take profit for sure. Oh, okay, that's your take profit. Okay, okay, that's great, bro. That's a good target. That's a good target. Um, cause you're breaking below that 200 EMA on the 15 minute. Yeah, that's a very good target, bro. I would exactly target the same exact thing. The predictive levels, I use that as my targets. Though I call them hitters. That's what I call them because those predictive levels, they hit. They be hitting all the time. So I use that as my take profit orders. So yeah, that's a good trade, dude. That's a good trade. There's no way I would short down that. Yeah, bro. I would have been like, damn, bro, you're a little crazy. I got my stop at what? Break even? Okay, for sure. What's what did you say? I got in at the candle confirmation. Candle confirmation. So right here. So I'm guessing your break even around here. I would put that shit into some profit, dog. I'm not even gonna front with you. I'm leaving with something. I'm leaving with something, and you're about to hit it right now. If it doesn't hit before 10, I'm closing it though, bro. If you're, bro, you better be trailing this, bro. You better be trailing this, bro. We're all of us are watching with you. Your take profit's literally right there, bitch. You better be trailing this and not letting uh you leave without nothing, bro. Bro, what you got? Like two ticks, bro? One, two, three. About three ticks. You better be trailing that motherfucker, bro. Yeah, bro. Round of applause for TMR. Round of applause. I always struggle with what to do when the trade design opens with a big candle. Um, I always struggle what to do when a trade design with a big candle. There's a lot of ways to take plays. Order fill. Order fill. Please tell me you got that order fill. Please tell me you got that order fill. That's banger right there. You got the order. Got filled. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, you got 20 accounts, right? I think that's what you told me, right? Like, wait for a retracement or just jump in it. E. Um, what I would have done here, E, this candle right here broke above, well, broke below the predictive level. As soon as I would have gotten the candle close below the predictive level, got in immediately. Because that's what I've been doing. Got in at 53, data 2 minute. Yes, sir. Good shit, Fat Mac. I love to see you guys print, bro. Hopefully, I get to print with you. But I'm practicing patience. Like Mr. Miyagi, wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. That's what I'm practicing, bro. I'm practicing my patience and my mental stability because I know how to trade. The biggest factor of me being profitable is like FOMO, yada yada, revenge trading. So it's my psychology. Um, but E, did you hear me? If I would have the way you would have taken this trade design, quick 225, some light, you feel me? If it would have confirmed that 1.5, yeah, bro. If it would have confirmed that 1.5, that's definitely a trade that you don't take. But um, what I tend to do, I like to see the break of the predictive level, and once I get a break and the candle closed, I would immediately enter right there, E. Immediately enter. Don't be scared to take a trade, bro. At all. Just have your tight stops. But usually this whole week of me watching my film, what I've been noticing at the break of these predictive levels, once I get that candle um close above or below and it's close to the predictive level, hitting that. Hitting that every time I'm taking that. Every time I'm taking that. 53.22. I mean, kind of. It's a little bit chasey, but at least it wasn't all the way over here, bro. Whoa, my voice. So 10 a.m. Ding, 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 ding. 10 a.m., guys. It's 10 a.m. And we got our, I guess this is our data candle right here. All right. So that's our data candle. So, all right. Now it's my turn to trade. Obviously, I'm not taking the trade yet. Obviously not. Um, damn. So this is what I want to see. I want price action to come back to the EMAs. I was a bit got a one with Gabe today. Good luck on that one-on-one, bro. Absorb a lot um of knowledge and tips, bro. Take notes, do whatever you have to do to get better, bro. So, what I want to see, I want a reconfirmation of strength. I want it to touch the EMAs and bounce back. That's what I want. Because price action is way too far for me to do anything. In hindsight, yeah, everything is hindsight. We do a lot of Monday night quarterbacking. Um, sorry if this sounds. I'm crunching my cough drops. Yeah, in hindsight, everything is like, oh, I could have done this, but it's if if you improve, then that hindsight becomes relevant because a lot of things are hindsight. Oh, I could have done this, I could have done that, but if you don't do anything to improve, then it's pointless. So next time, don't be distracted, bro, because we have to be laser focused trading. We have to treat this as a business, bro. Um, yeah, sure, we love to have fun and this and that, yada yada yada, because no one wants a boring work environment. But I mean, I'm at a point where I treat this as a business, bro. I'm, you know, trying to make this a living. Um, so I'm trying to be extremely disciplined of how I trade. Appreciate you too, Fat Mac. Appreciate you too. So let's look at what the 15 minutes doing. Like I always say before, a break of the 200 always comes back to the 200. When there's a big candle break off the 200, price loves to gravitate back to that 200. That 200, that's the biggest magnet we can have. How many ticks for that? If I would have gotten into that trade, um, um, I mean, you can use me as a reference. If I would have gotten into that trade, um, I, you already know that I use 16 ticks, $200. Um, But if I would have gone here, that's all the way over here. I would have cut it in half and probably been at 2.5 points. So I would have been like around 9 ticks stop loss would have been my stop loss there. If that helps you, E. Because remember, if you take a position here, you don't want your stop all the way above the 48 EMA. No, you would want your stop probably right there around the 24 EMA. That's that gives it enough breathing room. If it has enough momentum, because like how I always say, 1348 is a momentum play. We trade off momentum. So technically, if it that giving it breathing room to the 24 EMA, that's more than enough room because we're playing with momentum. So if momentum is in our favor, that would be enough breathing room that we can capture that move and move that trailing stop accordingly. I don't know if that makes any sense, dude. But that's how I would have played it. So right now at this candle, what's happening? It's um this price action. It's going based off of the 15 minute. Because after a big flush away from the 200, on any time frame, a big flush away from the 200, you're always gonna get the candle back to the 200 to reconfirm strength. Always, 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 always. 12 G's on that end key. Wow, bro. We'll get there one day. We'll get there one day. So, and we broke below the 30-minute 200. Yeah, bro. This is looking nasty. To be honest, it would be like a good if you're playing like a higher time frame, it would be a good position to take it right here. Right here and have your stop like around right there so you can get that bounce off. But I'm playing based on the 5 minutes, so you know, I'm not gonna trade based off the 15 or 30 minute because I'm not playing the 15 or 30 minute. I'm playing the five. So I in the 5 minute, I want a reconfirm of price strength on a tap of the EMAs and bounce off. That's what I want. Jesus, 12 G's is crazy. I'm not even going front. I'm not even going front. I mean, I'm just happy with like 250, 300. That's a good day for me. That's a good day for me. But then again, it's all it's all percent. I'm pretty sure that's like what, like 0.5% of his portfolio, which is pretty crazy, bro. Like how many 12 G's? How much would it be to for 12 G's to be 1%? How big would your portfolio size would be? Let me see. So this 100K minus, wow. So wow, one a 100K portfolio minus 1%, that's $1,000. 12 G's is crazy, bro. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous, bro. That's ridiculous. I don't even know what to say about that. All I know is that if you're making 12 G's on your port, that shit's fat. That shit's thick, thick. Like not with a K, like thick with multiple C's. Thick, thick portfolio. 12K is like zero point 0.5 out of 240. God damn. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. That's insane. That's insane. Well, I would have thought the data candle would have been a lot more crazier. It wasn't that crazy, to be honest. It really wasn't that crazy. His pour is like 7 figures plus. I believe it. I believe that pour is 7 figures plus, bro. I do not doubt that. Let me see. 1 hour below the 48. Red, red, red. 4 hour. Trying to fight back above those EMAs. Trying to fight back. Let me plot this as yellow. The 48 EMA on the 4 hour. So we're doing a whole lot of nothing now. Let's hunt for the reversal. Apparently, that's a very common thing in market chat. Let's see, did we give back some of the gains of yesterday? We sure did. We actually gave all the gains back. That's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. All right, we got some action. We got price action above the EMA ribbon. Now the EMA ribbon just switched from red to green. So let's see what's gonna happen. I don't think there's any way that I would go long, to be honest. Um, what would I have to see? Because I have to be ready to switch my analysis like at the drop of a dime. If price action tells me to go long, then I'll go long. But I mean that shit does not look like it wants to go long, to be honest with you. Look at that. We're below. I mean, you would have to be all the way up here to go long. And you go on 30, same thing. So yeah, we're looking to go short, dude, to be honest with you. So in order for me to go short, like so for example, if I can get price to hit the 13 and bounce off, that'll be great. But all of this has to be red right here. Red, 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 match it up and go from there. Did you watch the one-on-one with Tyler? He referenced that he paid like 18 million in taxes last year. That's insanity, bro. That's insanity. If I was him, I would move to Puerto Rico. I would not want to pay 18 mil in taxes, bro. That is crazy, bro. Meanwhile, we have Nancy Pelosi just printing fucking money like crazy. Like if it's nothing, and we're just over here like little worker ants, slaves, just paying taxes, and meanwhile, they get the taxes and do whatever the fuck they want with them. So what would you be looking for the next trade? So for the next trade, well, I guess your next trade. This will be my first trade. My first trade. That means you made like 40 million for real, bro. We're not pocket watching, but that's pretty crazy. So Fat Mac, the next trade for me, it would be a bounce off the EMAs to continue down, along with my indicators red. If we can align all of that together, that's gonna be my next trade right there. So everything has to scream red for me to take a trade. But I want price action to come to the 13 EMA to take that trade. That's if it comes, because the 200 EMA is right there. On the 15 minutes, like literally right there, along with the 30-minute 200. So it might not even go to the 5-minute EMA, to be honest with you. Like it's got, so because you got candle wick right here, got rejected here, and you're getting rejected again, again. So my perfect trade would be a retest of the EMAs to reconfirm strength. Um, but if it doesn't happen, then I guess I'm not gonna take a trade. But I do know that price action is getting rejected off the 200 on the 30-minute and the 200 on the 15-minute. So it could just be a reconfirming strength because big candle break loves to come back to the 200 EMA because that's a magnet. EMAs are magnets. They broke through, reconfirm it, test it, come back down. It does not have to come to the 13 EMA or something on the 15 minute. Same thing, I mean on the 5 minute. Same thing on the 15 minute. Broke, retest, coming back down. It could probably keep going back down. Um, so we can easily reject off of this area right here. It does not have to do my wishes in coming back to the EMAs on the 5 minute, and it's breaking below the EMA ribbon again. So yes, it is messing around the EMAs on the 4 minute. So red, red, red. Ah, I have 12 seconds to make a decision. I know that it's rejecting off of this right here, off of those EMAs. I'll probably take a trade and have a tight stop because it's not really what I want. I forgot a second. Technical difficulties. All right. So let me cut my risk already. Cutting down my risk. So I'm gonna target 53.14 around there. Let me target this predictive level right here. My target's gonna be right there. So positions here, 16, 16. So that's my trade design. That's my trade design right here. I'm on a trade. I'm probably gonna break. I'm probably gonna cut my risk down even more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I cut it down to 7 ticks. What? Yeah. So 7 minus 6, 7 minus 16. I'm sorry. That's 9. I'm at 9 ticks risk. I'm gonna cut it even more, to be honest with you. I'm not very confident in this play, so I'm gonna cut it way more. So far we have rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, break of the ribbon, entry. Targeting this predictive level down here. And we're just gonna let this ride right here. That's gonna be my stop, and I'm just gonna leave that right there. And if I get stopped out, oh well, then I get stopped out. GC looking good to the downside? Maybe. Maybe, maybe. So this trade is already looking weak because the histogram is turning pink. But that doesn't really mean anything. It's just something to take note of. But if the RSI can climb, if the RSI climbs above its moving average, then that's bad. Then that's bad. How much am I risking? Am I risking like 112 or something like that? Ah, it's gonna go against me. Crap. If this stops me out, um, that's gonna break my streak of winning. 100 bucks, 112 around there. So That's exactly why I cut my risk. That's exactly why I cut my risk because this trade, it looked a little wishy-washy, but I mean, we got rejections. This is exactly why I don't trade off the other time frames. I just wanted to give it a go because we have uh rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. We broke past the EMA ribbon, and we went to the downside. So I immediately cut my risk. So it is what it is. I got stopped out $100, so that's my first loss in over a week. I think the whole week, every trade that I've won was been in one shot. Just one shot, one shot, one shot, one shot. So re-enter. I ain't re-entering, bro. RSI just crossed below I mean above the moving average. If I can get a rejection, then I'll re-enter. Not yet though. Not yet though. I gotta be very careful. I don't want to keep losing. I gotta be very careful on what happens. So we got another flip of the EMA ribbon and RSI above its moving average. I'm just gonna sit on my hands and wait. Let's see. I don't know what's gonna happen yet. Jack Train, you re-enter. I'm not re-entering this shit. I'm definitely not. So we did have a rejection off the 13 right here. And RSI is going below its moving average. So we're gonna wait. Not yet. Not yet. We're gonna wait and see what happens. I already took my first L of the day, and I want to be very, very careful on what my next trade is gonna be. Rejection off XL and the 13. Let me thug it out for like a minute or two to see what I decide. Oh, you re-entered and you're up? Where'd you enter at the 13 EMA? Jack? Stop at break even now? Okay, you're good. You're good. Okay, so yeah, this is definitely rejecting. So entry. Oh no. Is it gonna hit my max stop loss? That would suck ass if it hits my max stop loss. Target hit 500. Nice, bro. Nice, bro. Good for you, dude. Good for you. I'm happy for you, dude. Yeah, we're being bought back up, buddy. We're being bought back up right there. That's gonna suck ass, bro. If it hits my maximum my maximum stop loss, I'm gonna be mad as hell. This is not looking good. Yeah, bro. Good for you, dude. This is exactly why I wanted to wait. So yeah, it's flirting with my stop loss. This shit's about to hit right now. Two losses in a row. So I'm down $300 on the day. That sucks. Okay. No rushing. I have one last trade for today, and that's it. RSI crossing -50, heading up. Yeah, bro. We're definitely being. Oh, we got bought back up at this range right here. So now is the time to be patient. So I'm down 300. So how much would I have to? How much move would I have to capture for me to be in profit? I want to be at least like $100 in profit, at least. Something. Give me something. Give me something. So I would have to be CL trade design up about to confirm. Well, ES is not doing nothing. Let me take a look at CL. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. That's a good trade right there. That's a good trade right there, baby. I'm not even gonna front with you, bro. I'm not even gonna front E. That's a good trade. That's a good trade. I hope you're in it right now. I hope you got in right now. That's a very good trade. Let's see what's gonna happen here. Cause this thing is chopping around and playing too many games, bro. Playing way too many games. So in order for me to be in profit, I need at least 30 ticks. I'll be in profit like $65 or something like that. Um, like I said, I'm not looking for a huge winners or whatever. Um, I'm just looking to be profitable and stack up my portfolio. So if we can get like a 30, 35 tick move, that would be wonderful. Let's see. That's just playing around though. I already been burned twice going short. And I want to be very careful. We got 3 minutes till the next 30-minute candle happens. I want to be very careful in how I take this last trade because keeps rejecting the 30 EMA off the rejection off the 30 EMA or the 30-minute EMAs. Which one? Which one, Jack Train? Which one? Cause we don't trade at the we don't trade a 30 EMA here, bro. I'm sorry to tell you. Um, so I want to be very careful. I have one more trade left before I'm done with this day, bro. I'm just not gonna keep trading, bro. I'm not gonna do that shit, bro. I worked way too fucking hard for me to keep trading and trading and trading and trading. Fuck no. Okay, histogram is red there. So let's see, we got 2 minutes to that candle confirms. Let's see what happens here. I hope it doesn't just knife on me, dude. Got an SCL, hope it works. Don't say I hope it works. Say it's gonna work, bro. Just follow your stop accordingly, and you'll be all right, bro. You'll be all right. You got it at C got an SEO. So Jack off the 30 EMA. That's interesting. Where'd you learn that from? Where'd you learn that from? Shit. I forgot that I have a oh mic right here. I'm sorry that I'm twiddling my cough drop. You probably hear that shit. So yeah, this is exactly why I didn't want to get on the trade because if I would have if I would have entered, I would have entered at the place where I struggle. Shorting, god damn it, my fucking throat. Shorting at the bottom of candles. I always have a tendency to do that. I short at the bottom of candles and I get bought back up. That's why I waited. Because if it looked weak, if I shorted right there, I would have been bought back up immediately. The design, there's really no resistance from here. The design is good. Yeah, bro. That CL trade did look good. I don't trade CL, so if I did, I would get into it. I'm not gonna front with you. It looked really good. It looked really good. Yeah, so the market's doing a whole lot of nothing. Whole lot of nothing. And bro, what do you want to do, ES? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? How does a 2 minute look? Still slowly, 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 slowly. RSI hasn't even crossed on the 2 minute. Let me look at the one. Not doing anything. It's just consolidating. Wait, are we at that's weird. That's very weird. Yo, what's up, bro? How you doing, bro? Have you ever been on this stream before? I don't think I've seen you before. Are you part of are you part of our community in 1348? Jack, you're an NQ now? Damn, bro. You trade hella tickers, dude. I just trade one thing. One thing, and that's all. So, see? You see? Do you see this right here? This is exactly why I didn't go short. Because we're consolidating, we're fucking around and find out. I didn't like how it looks. And I would have gotten my stop loss hit and been done for the day. This is why I'm practicing patience. So now we're testing the 13 EMA on the 5 minute. We're testing the 13 on the 5 minute. And we have RSI climbing up and MACD thinning out, about to do a cross, but that doesn't mean that I'm gonna take a long position. Hell no. Hell not the no. What's up, Mike? How you doing, bro? I'm on my last trade, Mike. I have one more trade before I'm done for the day, dude. I already got stopped out twice. I'm down 300 on the day, and for me to be happy with profitability, I'm aiming for about 35 ticks. If I can get 35 ticks, 30 to 35 ticks, I would be a happy camper. So right now we're just waiting. Right now we're just waiting. So we're waiting to see if I can get a rejection off the 13. But it looks like this play, it lost its steam to the downside. So and another crucial thing, Titan XL is Titan AI is flashing yellow, so it's telling us to be cautious. If it can go back to green, that'll be even more confirmation, way better. Sorry, stream on the Discord, good discipline. I'm waiting myself. 24 ticks get you even. Yeah, 24 ticks gets me even, but I don't want to be even. I want to be profitable, E. I want to end the day green. But if I can, make back some of my losses, then I'm okay with that. You feel me? like I said, I'm not in the business to make money. I'm in the business to manage my risk. If I can get back some of the money that I lost, well, that's great. That's great. And yeah, bro. Mike, I'm practicing good discipline, dude. I'm waiting. I That's the only thing that I can control. In this uncontrollable market where the odds are not stacked in our favor, the only thing you can control is your patience and your discipline. So that's um that's all we can control, dude. So we're just waiting to see what the charts can tell me. Right now, the charts are not telling me a damn thing because we have RSI climbing up and MACD super thinning out. So it's telling me that all of this right here to the downside, it's losing steam. Um, unless the charts tell me otherwise. Ragnar, can I review my losses and what happened? Yeah, bro, absolutely. So, this first trade right here, that was a bad trade. Um, and I decided to do this trade right here. These two arrows. I got stopped out literally at this candle. I decided to do that trade there just to test out a theory. Um, really, if I want to test out any theories, I should have done it on a paper trade. But whatever. So right here, we got a rejection, the candle wick, rejection, rejection, and you see this red line? This is the 15-minute and the 30-minute 200 EMA. So what I was seeing at the time, we're getting rejection off those EMAs. But the thing is, I use the other time frames for context. Um, I don't trade based off the other time frames. I trade based off the 5-minute. What I wanted is to get a rejection off the 13, but obviously right here it didn't get to it. So I took the position here and then I got stopped out. But I cut my risk because I didn't like the trade. I wasn't comfortable with the trade, so I cut my risk immediately. We're getting rejected. Let's see what happens on this candle. So this trade was my fuck up, but it was like $100 loss, like 100, 112 around there. I cut my risk immediately. Oh shit, this is looking good. This is looking good. This is looking good. We're getting rejection off the 13, multiple rejections off the 13. The explanations later, but this is my last trade of the day. We're getting rejection off the 13. RSI going below its moving average again. Let's see what happens. If I get stopped out, well, wasn't my time. Yeah, but when I'm testing, I'll use the MES to minimize any losses. Yeah, bro. I'm trading ES and MES. I have I trade ES on my 250K account, and then I trade MES on my 25Ks accounts. So today's my first day using my 25Ks because I just passed them, and this is not a good start to the fucking 25Ks. So that's gonna suck ass, dude. So let's cut down our risk already. Cut that risk, cut that risk, cut that risk. Let's cut our risk even more. So I cut my risk. My risk is at the 13 EMA. We're gonna leave it right there. Let's see how the play develops. Would a break of the predicted level be a good time to re-enter? Um, it would. It would. It would be a good time to re-enter. Maybe. It's all hindsight. So we already cut down our risk, and if we get stopped out, well, We're done for the day, guys. We weren't meant to be green. I'll just have to reanalyze the footage and just get better, bro. But I mean, it's fine because um I've been green for like 2 weeks, dude. So I'm gonna have to lose eventually. Eventually, I'm gonna have to lose. So maybe today's the day that I lose. So I last week I was on a winning streak of just one trade done. 5 days straight. One trade done. One trade done. One trade done. So obviously I'm at 2 losses now. So that streak finally ended. So but let's see if we can continue the green streak though. If uh if I can get like 30 ticks around there, let's cut my risk even more. So I cut my risk even more. Now we're testing this predictive level. Let's see if we can break it. If it holds, that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. I don't want to see that. What's good to everybody that's watching? Everybody just came in. I'm in a trade. I'm down 300. I'm targeting around 30 to 35 ticks. To be a little bit of not a little bit to be over green. But according to little E, I need 24 ticks to be break even. So let's see. So I'm gonna cut my risk even more. So how much am I risking now? One, two, three, four, five. 5 ticks. So I'm risking $62 right now. I'm risking $62. And we didn't get a break of this predictive level, which is what I do not want to see because it's gonna get held like it's happening right now in real time. That's not good. That's not good. CL is dying? Damn, bro. Sorry, bro. It looked good. It looked good. It definitely looked good, bro. Um, so let's see what happens here on ESE. At least you're down only one trade. I'm down two. I'm down two. So I'm more down bad than you. I could have been down one trade, but I decided to do a stupid setup right here, and it wasn't part of my plan. And that goes to show that always follow your plan. If you don't follow your plan, you're gonna lose money. So follow your plan. Move to break even. I want to give it some breathing room, bro. To be honest with you, bro. But you're right. You're right, bro. Because it's fucking around to find out. Let me listen up. Oh, did it hit my? Hey, I stopped before I got to move it to break even. 62. So yeah, bro. So how much I'm down now? Damn, bro. I was just about to move it to break even. That's crazy. Showing off the fresh. Oh, you see that? That's that fresh cut, bro. So how much am I down? I'm down like 362. I'm down like 375, almost like 400 bucks. I'm almost at my maximum loss of the day. So yeah, I'll re-enter, see how if it can break and confirm off the orb. Yeah, probably. Yeah, ES is not doing nothing here, bro. So yeah, we're just chopping around. So to answer your question, Fat Mac, a break of this predictive level absolutely would be a way better entry because you're getting away from this noise right here. You're getting away from that noise. So um all of this, that's all noise right there. Obviously, look at the chopping around, bro. Chop, 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 chop. Not doing anything. Call it a day. Yeah, bro. I'm about to call it a day. I'm not gonna be fucking around and find out. I already got 3 losses in my bag. I'm not I don't think I want to lose any more money, bro. To be honest with you. I'm down almost 400. I'm down like 375. And I think that's more than enough. I think that's more than enough. I don't want to give back the gains that I've been gaining. Um so yeah. I mean, if you guys are going long, it would be a break above here, above this predictive level to go long, and to go short, it will be above there. So, Mike, I'm not a huge fan of any trades in this area. Pure chop. That box you just drew is death by a million cuts. Log off. Yeah, yeah. I'm logging off. Give me a second here. I logged off. I logged off. But let's hang out though. I logged off, so we're good. Let me do this though. Let me chill with you guys, and let's get that paper trading account going, baby. All right, let's practice some trading. I got my 3 losses done. I'm down like almost 400. I'm done, bro. I'm done. So let's practice for paper trading, bro. I know this. I know it's not real life, but I'm getting my reps in exactly like if I'm being in the gym. I'm getting my reps in. So now we're trading stress free. Stress free. We got trade design to the upside. XL is still red, not green. We have this predictive level to break. We have the 48 to break. We have the 200 to break. And we have this predictive level to break. And we have opening range right there. So if you're going long on this trade design, good luck to you. Good luck to you. Tomorrow's Cody. Tomorrow's another trading day. Absolutely, bro. Bro, I won every single day. First try last week. I'm not gonna let a bad trading day fuck me up. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. The old me would have been revenge trading. Like, oh, let me put in 5 contracts. So if I can get just like 10 ticks and be break even, I'll be okay. Those days are well above behind me, dude. Well above behind me. Hmm. So I just logged off. But one thing I forgot to do is flatten my accounts. Because Ninja Trader loves to not close my positions, and I need to double check that. I need to double check to see if Ninja Trader closed my positions. So I can have no anxiety right now because I closed my workshop without looking at everything. Question: how do you use the tie-in 1348? Because every time I get a signal, it's already too far away from buying or selling point. That's right, bro. We are past that degen shit. Exactly, Lil E. We're past that. We're past that degen shit. Uh, Flat and all, yeah, bro. Before I answer your question, dude, let me check my Ninja Trader, and I need to make sure everything is flattened. Because like how I said before in the previous streams, um, sometimes this Ninja Trader doesn't close all my positions. So let me just check that I have nothing open, and I will answer your. Hold on, bro. Give me a second. So, okay, I don't think I have any positions open. I think they're all closed. So for transparency, I'm down. 165 on my 25Ks, which is a horrible start to my 25Ks. I just got them today. They're PAs. So I'm trading real money. And I'm down 384 on my 250K account. So I gave back some of the games that I made last week. But oh well, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm not here to profit, I'm here to learn. Exactly like you guys. The money's gonna come later. So let me do one more thing here before I disconnect my Ninja Trader. Yeah, I don't think I'm in any positions at all. Yeah, and I'm good. I'm good. So, all right, let me answer your question, dude. I'm about to log. I'm about to be long on NQ in about 5 minutes. Um, dude, investment, dude. Let me answer your question. Are you still there? Let me know if you're still there so I can answer your question. Be long on NQ in 5 minutes. Let me look at NQ. Investment, dude. If you're still there, oh yeah, this is looking good. This is definitely looking good. I don't know how to trade NQ though. I don't know how many takes or points I can use for like an appropriate stop loss for NQ because every taker moves a specific way, and I know how ES moves, and the 4 points that I use as risk is more than enough risk for ES, more than enough breathing room. Yeah, you're still there? Okay. Um, but Mike, this looks pretty good. If we can get a break above the predictive level, you're all systems full go. So, investment, dude, let me go back to the trade design on the S. So the way that I use Titan AI, it's all it's all really much like a guide. That's the way that I use it. Like using Titan AI, like the LED strip and the dots, it's more of a guide to give me strength to go long or go short. If it's so say okay, for example, this candle, if you're waiting for a candle confirmation or if it explodes and say it goes up to here and your trade design is right over here, um that's fine. You can still take a position over here. Just make sure. So if you take a position right here, make sure your stop loss, I would put it at entry right there. That's how I would do it, dude. Um, and also make sure that your entries are not too far away from the EMAs. If you enter a trade, try to make sure it's as close to the EMAs as possible. Then again, don't fucking listen to me because I'm not expert, dude. But um it's just what I've been seeing so far, the patterns that I've been seeing. Because price action loves to come back to the EMAs. Um, just try to make sure you have an entry closer to the EMAs. But yeah, for example, if you take an entry here, your stop loss will be there. For reference, maybe you can use my maximum stop loss. That because I know how much I lose every trade, every time. My maximum stop loss is 16 ticks. Um, which is 200 bucks, which is 4 points. So it's all relative to where you enter. Because say if you enter there, say if you enter right here, let's make a trade design. Say if you enter right there and your stop loss is 16 ticks. If you That's if you want to use my stop loss. Your stop loss would be right there. That would be your stop loss. So you use it more like an indicator rather than a system. So I use it more like an indicator rather than a system. Um, in a sense, in a sense, yeah. In a sense, yeah. It's something that you have to play around with, dude. To be honest, everybody has like their own unique experience in how to use the tools that Gabe gave us. Everybody has their own unique experiences, and I'm just showing you mine. But I mean, he has plenty of videos of if you know, if you're far away from the trade design, just use the trade design itself for stop losses and take profits. So if you entered here at the 101, just put your stop loss at the entry point. I mean, you can play around with it like that. But in my experience so far, trading ES, that's pretty much the only thing that I trade, just ES. Uh, um, I'm a one trick pony. 4 points is more than enough risk. Um, but like I said, if price action is very far away from the EMAs, price loves to come back to reconfirm and test on the EMAs. So if you're over here and you're afraid that you're not giving it enough breathing room, you should play MES. You should definitely play MES. That playing MES would take away all the anxiety from trading, and you can practice and figure out which way how to use it. So that's what it is. Yeah, yeah. The indicators are the system. The indicators are the system. Um, so I hope that helps you, dude. I hope that helps you. So yeah, we're gonna paper trade this bitch, guys. We're gonna paper trade this bitch. So obviously we had a rejection of the 200. Obviously, look how much stuff is in the way. The 13, the 24, the 48, the 200, the orb, the predictive level. There's so much stuff in the way. You go to the 15 minute. Yeah, today's a tight range on trading ES. Yeah, bro. You go on the 15 minute. If you can get a break on the 15 minute above the 48 EMA over here, because it broke above the 200. It broke above the 200. So on the 15 minute, if you can get a confluence on the 15 minute over here, that's great. On the 30 minute, um, what is the story telling us? Same thing. Break above it's breaking, it broke above, well, it's trying to break above the 200 EMA on the 30 minute. And it's got 3 minutes to go and it's looking like it's going to do it. So if I want to take a trade, I'll probably take a trade up here. Right around there is going to be my entry. Right around there is going to be my entry. Let's see if it does happen. And if I'm going to go short, it'll be below XL. Um, but then again, you have this predictive level right there that it's got held once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. 4 times this predictive level got held right here. So obviously, that right there is definitely an area of support. So if you're going to enter a trade past XL, be very mindful that this right here got supported 4 times. So it's more than enough time to tell you that that's a strong support right there. Still waiting on my entry for NQ. ES is not cooperating. Yeah, no, bro. How does NQ look? What's gonna be your entry, dude? What's gonna be your entry, Mike? What are you looking for? A break of the predicted level? Because it still hasn't happened yet. Still hasn't happened yet. It's looking good, dude. It's looking way better than ES. Way better. ES not doing shit, bro. Dude, if I can get a if you get a break of the predictive level, I'll take that all day. I'll take that all day, bro. Stop step you can now you can trade 5 XFAs. What are XFAs? I don't trade top step. I do Apex. I don't know what XFAs are. What is that, Cody? E, you're down 0.2, down just 1 R. Okay. Break and hold above 18.9, 18.921. Yeah, the predictive level, dude. I don't trade NQ, but I'll definitely trade NQ right now to on paper trading just for shits and giggles. Yeah, ES is not doing anything, bro. Anything. Let me get a. I'm putting an alert right here. Let me go to NQ, dude. I don't trade NQ, but let's do it right now. Let's do it right now. Um, NQ moves way more. So instead of 16, I'm gonna give it 20. 20 ticks. Well, actually, no, I'm gonna give it 25. PAs. What's going on? Wow, it's very tight for NQ. No, oh no, it's not. Whoops. Let's see how I can play with NQ. I have never played NQ ever before. Ever. Let's target close to this predictive level. I hope I gave it enough breathing room. Gotta get some work done. Alright, bro. See you, Lee. Hasta la vista. I wonder, damn, bro. NQ moves like crazy, bro. That's why I don't trade NQ, dude. I do not trade NQ. I do not know how much is an appropriate stop loss for NQ, to be honest with you, bro. I really don't know. I gave it 25 ticks breathing room to see if maybe that's more than enough. And hell no, that's not enough. God damn, bro. Mike, how do you trade NQ, dude? This thing moves like crazy, bro. Jesus. Bro, how do you trade Mike, how do you trade NQ, dude? What's your stop loss on NQ, dude? I can't stomach this price action, bro. That's why I don't trade it. It looked good though. It broke above the predictive level and it held for like a few seconds until it just knifed. Jesus, bro. Let's look at yes. Let's look at my baby. My baby, yes. What you doing? Dying. Rejection off the 200. This is a way better trade right here. There you go. My alert got hit. He has something now. But to be honest with you, I didn't get the confirmation I wanted to see. Still haven't taken a trade. Short. NQ is too volatile for me. Might getting a short set up on ES. Yeah, bro. I that's why I'm back on here on ES, dude. Yeah, bro. NQ, it's not my style, bro. It's way too crazy. Way too crazy. You gotta give that thing, bro. I don't even know like what, like 50, 60 ticks of like breathing room. I thought 25 was good enough. Apparently not. Apparently not. ES is more my style. 16 ticks, 4 points. We're Gucci, bro. We're Gucci. So if a new trade design could develop here, I'll take that. I'll definitely take that trade. Is anybody else like in a position in something else like in GC or CL or PL whatever, or are you guys just trading ES or NQ? I know a lot of you guys printed today. Good for you, dude. Good for you. Good for you. I'm not jealous. Maybe a little bit. I'm a little bit jealous. I'm a little bit jealous. Me too, bro. But whatever. It is what it is. It is what it is. Mm. Let me see what's market chat doing. Yes. Are you looking for another trade, Fat Mac? Are you looking to trade ES? I mean, to be honest, dude, if I want to trade ES, I'll probably wait for a break of right here. If you get a break right here with everything else red, I'm taking that. But ES is not doing a damn thing, bro. A damn thing, bro. I wonder, I wonder, what what could I have improved to stay away from Chop because Chop is one thing about Chop. It's very hard to identify until it already happened. It's very hard to identify until Chop has already happened. When you get a million paper cuts, that's when you realize like, huh, I should have stayed away. But then that's when should have, could have, would have happened. So obviously, um, I mean, what I could have done better today, from what I've seen so far, is first things first. This trade right here, the first trade that I took, I should have never took that trade. I was trading based off of the 15 and the 30 minute because it was rejecting off the 200. And I have said multiple times on my last stream that just because the other time frames are saying something doesn't mean that I'm gonna trade it because I trade the 5 minute. And what I wanted to see was a rejection off the 13 on the 5 minute. I didn't get it right here. So right there and then, that's my first L. I was already setting up myself for failure, and that's exactly why I cut my risk very tight. Because I wasn't gonna fuck around and find out. So the first one was bad. The second trade, right over here, which is the very next with this candle right here, we got a rejection right here, and the indicator was still red, and I just got bought back up. The next one was over here. I cut my risk super tight to $62. Was gonna put it at break even, but it already popped back up on me, and it is what it is. So, um, if I didn't do that first trade, I would have had one more trade left to go for the day. So that's my fault. I didn't follow my rules. So follow your rules, people. Yes, I'm short. Yes, I'm short 53.17 and long at 52.28.75. Oh, 53.17. Oh yeah. Yeah, me too, bro. If it comes down here, I'm definitely going short. I'm definitely going short. On paper trading, not exciting, but you know, I'm getting my reps in. I'm getting my reps in. So, um, and I'm not afraid to lose in front of people. Dude, I mean, I'm just like trading is just now starting to click for me, bro. Like I'm not fucking special, bro, at all. Like I just started to get trading like 2 months ago after like 3 years. Um, So I'm filming my whole entire process of getting better, bro. And if I lose on stream in front of people, whatever, bro. I just the only thing, like I said, the only thing I can control, um, is just my discipline due to my patience and when to say no. I'm gonna stop training for the day, and I did my job. I managed my risk. Didn't lose my maximum up to 400, close to it, 385, so $15 short of my maximum loss for the day. Um, and I logged off, so I did my job. I did my job. I know I know we're all just sitting on our hands, just waiting for nothing, bro. I don't think it's 11 o'clock. What clicked for you when you say it clicked? How did you know? Ragnar, so one thing that clicked for me that made me better, um, absolutely made me better. Probably like I think it was like 2 months ago where I asked everybody on Market Chat who wants to be accountability partners. Because I was tired of being a degenerate. I was tired of being like in FOMO, revenge trading. I was tired of all that. So I needed some people, um, with the same mindset to hold each other accountable. So that's when I met little E in chat. My stop is 6.6 either way. Leaves me with 150 or 1.5 R. My stop is 6 ticks away. Fat Mac, what do you mean? Are you in a trade and your stop loss is at 6 ticks? Whatever. I'm continuing my story, Ragnar. So, um, I formed with Pod and Little E on Market Chat. We created like a little group to hold ourselves accountable on trades. Whatever entry that we took, we told it to each other. We told to each other which entry is good, why is it good, why shouldn't you do this trade, and if you fuck up mentally, which is mostly what we were looking out for, we had to be honest, dude, and be like, yo, dude, I couldn't help myself, I revenge traded, and just putting yourself out there, um, made me more disciplined. So, um, that's one thing. The second thing was backtesting, 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 backtesting. Um, that's you're literally like an athlete. Like think about it. Like just like you're exactly like me because I play basketball. I'm like a hooper, dude. Every time that I backtest or go into the live markets, it's like I'm practicing my jump shot and my shooting percentage to get it better. So you know which ways, how how to trade, what to adjust, how much your stop loss has to be, which has to be appropriate to the trade that you took. Um, and another thing that's helped me out too is I don't fuck around and find out if a trade is not going the way I want it to go. I'm not scared to choke that bitch. I'll choke it. I don't care. I don't care. If I get stopped out, oh well. Oh well. Um, but I don't want to lose money. So I give it just enough breathing room to do its thing. Um, Another thing that helped me out is I separated myself from the money. I know it's very hard because we all want to make money and I want to make money too. I want to do this as a living. Um, and I want to do it full time, but technically I am doing it full time. I'm not profitable, dude. I'm being completely honest. I'm not profitable at all. I quit my job so I can stream and record my process and becoming a profitable trader and putting myself out there. Um, but probably today I have an interview like at McDonald's just to pay the bills. Um, but those are the things that made me better. So, having accountability partners, um, back testing, um, appropriate risk, and I found out that 4 points is more than enough risk for ES because I'm very comfortable with how it moves. Um, so me knowing how much I'm gonna lose in a trade is very valuable. Um, so it's very minor improvements as you go day by day. Just completely remove yourself from the money and just think of it as every day you're trying to learn to get better. And that's what I've been doing. And that's how I've been improving these past 2 months. So I just said, fuck the money, forget about the money. The money's gonna come later. Trust me, dude. There's no doubt in my mind that I'm gonna be making bank trading. Zero doubt. Do I know when it's gonna happen? I don't know. So just enjoy the journey and just learn. Learn every day, learn every day, learn every day. And I promise you're gonna get better, bro. I promise. Because it's pretty mind blowing. That last week I just took one trade every day and I was green every single day. And I've been green for like 2 weeks, dude. Um, and these 2 months I've just been breaking out as a trader, all because I've slowed down on everything, on the FOMO, on the patience, on trying to make money. Just take it slow, nice and steady, bro, and you'll be good. No, I'm up 225 right now to enter a trade either way. I would have moved my stop loss to 75, 5 ticks to maintain a 1.5 hour for the day. Yep, that's a very nice strategy, Fat Mac. That's very good. That's very good, dude. Ragnar. So, did you listen to my story? Did you listen to my story? I hope that helped out a bit. I hope that helped out a bit. Yeah, bro. So ES is not it's not doing anything. It's not doing shit. It's not gonna do shit. ES it won't do anything unless it breaks this. It won't do nothing. It ain't gonna do nothing. Thanks for telling me being green for 2 weeks must feel great. Confirms what you're doing. Absolutely, bro. It definitely confirms on what I'm doing. It definitely confirms that. Um, yeah, just take it one day at a time, bro. That's pretty much all I can tell you. There's no exact science to trading. It's just it's getting that field goal percentage up and that risk reward. Field goal percentage and risk reward. That's all it is to it. So, I didn't revenge trade for the day. I logged out. I'm good to trade tomorrow. I'm good to trade tomorrow. I'm good. I'm good. So guys, there's nothing to take. There's no trades to be done in ES unless it breaks this box right here. There's no trades to be taken. So I mean, I would put an alert like right here, alert there, alert here, and go on with your day, bro. Ain't doing nothing. It ain't doing nothing. All right, everybody. Um, I think I'm gonna log out. There's nothing to be done. I'm done for the day. I got my 3 L's, and we're Gucci, bro. We're Gucci. So before I go, remember, if you're gonna take a trade, it has to be up here, or it has to be breaking this predicted level. Just FYI. Along with your indicators red. Once you got color confluence, you're good to go. Hold on, but let me look at the 15-minute. It couldn't hold above the 200. So just shopping around, dude. Just shopping around. I became your 182 subscriber. Oh, more people subscribe? Ah, thanks, dude. I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate the love, bro. I this whole entire streaming setup and everything that I do, the whole purpose of it is to try to grow together as a team, as a whole unit. Because I know that Gabe, he does like streams for us. And we can ask questions or whatever, but he's already successful, dude. He's already successful. And basically what I'm doing like we're basically doing like a group study session together, trading the markets together, learning together because I know for a fact that majority of the people that are in our community, they're not they're not profitable, bro, because I'm not profitable, and there's like a whole bunch of people that ask questions, and they're not profitable either. They're not making bank. I mean, I'm pretty sure there are some people killing it, um, and I applaud them, but none of us are at that level yet. So what these whole entire streams are doing is it's like a group study sesh of, I'm shooting, you know, my ideas to you guys, and you guys are shooting ideas to me, and we all take bits and pieces from each other to improve, and to grow as traders, dude. We can't stay at the same place every single time. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way, bro. I'm not trying to be like unprofitable for like forever. Hell no, bro. Hell no. But you do have to stay patient, dude. You do have to stay patient. All right, bro. I'm out of here. Remember, if you're gonna take a trade, um, alert here, alert there. So good luck, guys. See you tomorrow.